In today's video, we are going to see how we can create an inventory and ordering sheet in Excel which will be fully automated.
Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays.
This is the inventory and ordering sheet in Excel which I have already created in advance. On extreme left hand side, we have got inventory along with sales, purchase and stock in hand. Over here, we will be able to track purchase value of individual items as well as total items. Even the total stock in hand value will be featured over here. When we come to right hand side, we have got our ordering sheet. The ordering will be done as per category wise. I have created this inventory and ordering sheet for food items, so I have taken frozen items, fruits and vegetables, dry, chilled and packaging materials. The product category will be managed through drop downs. Currently we have frozen items. When I'll do it dry, the item name which we will get will be of dry items only. When I'll do this fruits and vegetables, we will get the list of fruits and vegetables over here. Over here we have got ordering days, means on which particular days we will have to place the order for a specific product category. As soon as we will select product category, ordering days will feature over here. If I'll delete this, ordering days will vanish. Last order date. This is highlighted in red because we have to do the entry manually. When we come to right hand side, over here we get the option of stock in hand along with stock in hand value. Reorder level as per forecasting. We will have to insert the data manually. Over here we have got the option of actual order value. Whatever ordering will be done, the total value of those items will be featured over here. Over here we have got name of the vendors. As soon as the product category will be changed, name of vendors will change automatically. I'll delete few product categories from here. When we come to right hand side, name of vendors got vanished. I'll undo this. And the name of the vendors got visible. Our second sheet is items and vendor list. Over here we have got name of all the items along with their code. Their description means the items will be dry, chilled, frozen or packaging. Unit of measurement and their rate. Over here we have got vendor details, contact person's name, contact number and email address. If required, you can insert it. Third one is setting sheet. In setting sheet we have got product category, vendor's name, ordering days, and over here I have got product filtered list, which we will have to create. Let's start creating a new sheet now. This is a new sheet which I have opened. We are not going to create the formats. I'll just explain the heads. In the beginning we will have inventory, means all sales, purchase and stock in hand items. Over here we have got opening stock, purchase quantity, purchase value, sales quantity, stock in hand quantity means closing stock, stock in hand value. When we move to right hand side, over here we have got product category, item number or code, item name, unit of measurement, rate, reorder or enough stock, ordering days means on which particular days the ordering will be done for specific items. Last order date, last order day, stock in hand value, reorder level as per forecasting. This we will have to insert manually. So I'll highlight this. When we come to right hand side, ideal order quantity, actual order value, vendor, item discontinued. If the item will be discontinued, we will have to type yes. I'll do one thing, I'll create drop down for this. I'll select the cells, we'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list and over here I'll type yes. Okay. If the item will be discontinued, just select yes. If the item will not be discontinued, leave it blank. Let's come to the left hand side. Opening stock and purchase quantity we will have to insert manually, so I'll highlight this. Sales quantity and stock in hand will be inserted manually, so I'll highlight this also. I'll come to my second sheet, item and vendor list. For time being, I'll cut this, Ctrl X. Now I'll select this, I'll click in one cell and will give the command Ctrl A and the whole data will be selected. Now I'll press Ctrl T. Over here a small box will pop up for creating the table. We have to select my table has headers and we have to do OK. Our very beautiful table got created. Over here we get the option of filter button. I'll remove the filter button means I'll untick this. We'll go on top. From here I'll select a table style. I'll select this and my table style got changed. I'll click over here. I'll click in the formula bar and we'll paste what we had cut in the very beginning, means item and vendor list heading. We will select this. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, text that contains. Over here I'll type FR. FR is for frozen. I'll select the red color and we'll do OK. So frozen got highlighted. I'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, text that contains. Over here I'll type veg for vegetables and fruits. I'll select a green color and we'll do OK. We'll click on conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, text that contains. I'll type DR for dry items. We'll select yellow color and we'll do OK. In the same way, I'll highlight chilled and packaging items. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, text that contains CH for chilled items. I'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill, and I'll select a desired color. And we'll do OK. OK. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, text that contains. For packaging, I'll type PK. From the drop down, I'll go to custom format, fill. From here, I'll select yellow color. Font, I'll select as black color. And we'll do OK. OK. I'll click on top. We'll go to conditional formatting, clear rule from the selected cells. Done. So all the highlighting part got done. I'll change the code of vegetables. I'll do it VEG so that it will be highlighted. So the item code and description got highlighted. I'll create drop down list for dry, chilled, frozen fruits and vegetables and packaging. I'll select this. We will have to select all the cells. We'll be going to data validation. From here we will have to select list, source. We will be going to setting sheet and we will click on top and we'll do OK. So our drop down list got created over here. In case your product category increases, you can do the entries over here, means you can do the addition over here and it will be visible in drop downs. Now we will go to our setting sheet. Over here we will create product filtered list. But before that I'll be going to items and vendor list. We'll click on one description and we'll copy this. Ctrl C or Command C. We'll go to inventory sheet. We'll click on product category. We'll select all and we'll paste it over here. Now I'll delete this and we'll select a product category, dry. Now I'll be going to setting sheet and we'll be creating the filtered list. I'll click over here and our formula will be plus or equal to filter bracket open array. For array we will have to go to items and vendors list. We'll click on top of items and all the items will be selected. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma, include. What to include? We want to include description. So I'll click over here and we'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Is equal to. I want to include one more thing. That will be from inventory sheet. And we will select product category from here. Comma, if empty. If empty, we want it to be blank. So for blank, I'll insert double inverted comma twice. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we can see the filtered list of dry items over here. If I'll change the product category, if I'll do it frozen, we will be able to see the name of frozen items. Over here we will have to insert few more criterias. We'll go to formula bar and we'll click in the beginning of our formula. Many times it's possible that name of items got repeated, so we will use unique over here. In case the item name will be repeated, it will count only unique items. Unique, bracket open. I'll come to the end. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I want my item list to be in alphabetical order, so I'll insert sort over here. Sort, bracket open. I'll go to the end. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll be going to inventory sheet, item name. I'll select this. We'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list, source. we will have to go to setting sheet. We'll take this in left. We'll select the first cell. We'll remove the dollar from center and we'll insert hash over here. Now I'll do OK. Currently our product category is frozen. I'll click on item name and we'll click on the drop down. So name of all the frozen items are over here. When I'll change it, when I'll do it fruits and vegetables, we are able to see name of all the fruits and vegetables. If I'll do it packaging, we are able to see name of all the packaging items. When I'll come to the second cell, we are not able to see anything. So here's a trick. We will have to go to setting sheet. We'll have to click in the first cell. We'll go to formula bar and just before sort, we will have to insert transpose. Transpose. We'll go to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So the list got transposed. Now I'll click over here and we'll drag it down. We'll go on top. Now I'll be going to inventory sheet and our list is available over here. Fruits and vegetables. I can select fruits and vegetables from here. We will insert few categories over here. In the beginning I'll take dry items. I'll drag this down. We'll delete this. Now I'll take frozen items and we'll fill categories till end. Now we will be selecting item name from here. I'll fill up all the items. So our item name got updated. Now we have to insert item number or code over here. Our item number and code is in vendor list. So we will connect this from VLOOKUP. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Item name will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will be going to item and vendor list. We'll select this. Our item code is in column number 2. So we will insert 2 over here, but before that we will press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma 2, comma 0. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got our item code over here. We will do one thing. Before dragging this, we will insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll click on first item code once again. We'll click over here and we'll insert dollar just behind K8, dollar, and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this till end. Unit of measurement and rate. We will connect this from our items and vendor list through VLOOKUP. We will copy this and we'll paste over here. We'll go to items and vendor list and we'll check the column number of unit of measurement and rate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit of measurement is in column number 4 and rate is in column number 5. We'll go to inventory sheet and we'll change the column number from here. We'll do it 4 and rate was in 5, so we'll do it 5. Now we will drag this till end. We'll select rate. We'll right click the mouse, format cells, we'll click on number, decimal places will be 0, use 1000 separator and we'll do OK. Now we will insert few figures in opening stock, purchase quantity, sales quantity and stock in hand. I'll take some random figures. We'll put some figures in sales quantity also, stock in hand or closing stock. Purchase value, the formula will be plus or equal to purchase quantity into rate and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this down. Stock in hand quantity, I'll delete this and we'll insert the formula. We'll remove the color from here because it will be formulated. Plus or equal to opening stock plus purchase quantity minus sales quantity and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this till end. Stock in hand value. The formula will be plus or equal to closing stock into rate, and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this till end. Now we will select purchase value. We'll press Ctrl and we'll select stock in hand value. We'll right click the mouse, format cells. We'll take this up, custom. We'll remove general from here, double inverted comma, rupees, double inverted comma close, space, has, and we'll do OK. So RS got inserted just behind the amount. Now we will come to right hand side. Last order date, we will have to insert it manually. I'll highlight this. I'll just take some random dates. I'll drag this down. Last order day, the formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open. We will select last order date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down. We will insert one criteria over here just behind text. We will insert the criteria of if bracket open date is equal to 0, comma, we want blank over here. So we will put double inverted comma twice, comma, we will come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Stock in hand, the formula will be plus or equal to, we will come to the left hand side and we will select stock in hand quantity or closing stock and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Stock in hand value, the formula will be plus or equal to stock in hand into rate and we will hit enter. We will drag this down. Reorder level as per forecasting. We will have to insert the data manually. I'll take some random figures. Reorder or enough stock, the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open reorder level is greater than stock in hand, comma, we want to show reorder. So we will take reorder in double inverted comma, reorder, double inverted comma close, comma, if the reorder level is less, we want to show as enough stock, double inverted comma, enough stock, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We will drag this down. We will have to insert one more criteria over here. We will have to go to formula bar and we'll click just after equal to. If bracket open item name is equal to 0, comma, we want to be blank. So we will insert double inverted comma twice, comma, we will come to the end, we will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Now if the reorder level will be more, it will be showing reorder, otherwise it will be showing enough stock. We will undo this. Ordering days, the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, lookup value. We will select the product category as lookup value, comma, table array. We will be going to setting sheet and we'll select this. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Ordering days are in column number 3, so we will put 3 over here, comma 3, comma 0. We will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We will drag this down. We will insert criteria of if error just behind VLOOKUP. If error, bracket open, we will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We will drag this down. Now if the product category will change, ordering days will also change accordingly. I'll undo this. We'll come to the right hand side. Ideal order quantity. The formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open order level is less than stock in hand, comma, we want blank over here. So we will insert double inverted comma twice, comma, ordering level minus stock in hand. We will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We will drag this down. Currently stock in hand is more than reorder level, only reason we are getting blank over here. If the reorder level will be more, we will get our figures over here. I'll drag this down and we can see the ideal order quantity. I'll undo this. Over here we will insert one criteria. If bracket open reorder level is equal to 0, comma, we want blank over here. So we will insert double inverted comma twice, comma, we will come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Actual order quantity, it will be plus or equal to, we will come to the left hand side and we will select purchase quantity and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this down. In case you want to insert it manually, you can. Actual order value, the formula will be plus or equal to order quantity into rate and we will hit enter. We will drag this down. We will come to the right hand side. Vendors, we will insert function of VLOOKUP over here. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP bracket open lookup value. We will come to the left hand side. We'll select product category as lookup value, comma, table array. We will be going to setting sheet and we'll select this. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, vendor's name is in column number 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma 0. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We will come to the right hand side and we got our vendor's name over here. We will insert criteria of if error just behind VLOOKUP. If error bracket open, we will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Now we will select our data. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From the drop down we will select classic and from here we will select use the formula to determine which cells to format. Plus or equal to, we will click on item discontinued. We will remove dollar from center, is equal to double inverted comma, yes, double inverted comma close. We will click on the drop down, we will go to custom format, fill, and from the drop down we will select a gray color. We'll do OK. OK. In case any item will be discontinued, we have to select yes from the drop down and the specific row will be highlighted. We will come to the left hand side. Total, we will do total over here of purchase value and stock in hand value. The formula will be plus or equal to sum bracket open. We will select this, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We will copy our formula, Ctrl C or Command C and we'll paste it over here. So we got our purchase value as well as stock in hand value. Total inventory value. We'll click over here. It will be sum of all the inventory items in hand. Plus or equal to, we will select this and we'll hit enter. Sum of all the items which are getting ordered. Plus or equal to, we will select this and we'll hit enter. I'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll come to the right hand side and we'll paste it over here so that it will be highlighted. We'll drag this till here. We'll increase the font size. We'll make this bold. This will be dry. This will be frozen. This will be fruits and vegetables. This will be packaging. And this will be chilled. Over here we want total value of dry items, frozen items, fruit and vegetables, packaging and chilled. I'll click over here and the formula will be plus or equal to sum if bracket open range. We will come to the left hand side. This will be our range. Means only product category will be our range. We have merged these cells, so this is taking till L. I'll delete L from here and we'll put the range as I. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be locked. Comma. Criteria. Criteria is this. Means product category item for which we want the sum. Means total value. We'll insert dollar between N and 4, comma, sum range. We will come to the right hand side. Sum range will be stock in hand value. We'll select this, we'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got total value of dry items over here. We will right click the mouse, format cells, we'll take this up, we'll go to custom, we'll remove general from here, double inverted comma, rupees, dot, double inverted comma, close, space, and we'll put hash. We'll do OK. Now we will drag this till chilled product or category of chilled product. We will come to the left hand side and we'll check if anything is pending. So all the things are done. We'll go to the right hand side and we'll check if anything is pending. So all the things are done. Our inventory and ordering sheet is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box in case you want to download. You can.
I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.